Hey, it's Marcus here. First of all, just want to say thank you for your support on the previous episode. Because of your support, I have decided to do more videos on showing you amazing Fashion Illustrator Instagram accounts. So today, I'm going to show you 5 more so that you can put them on your radar. At the end of this month, our Patreon group is doing a watercolor workshop. So for this episode, I actually want to show you 5 amazing watercolor fashion illustrators I discovered on Instagram. Here are the 5 accounts. Francesco is very good at using watercolor to create fashion illustrations. For those of you who love to draw fashion accessories and makeup looks, I highly recommend you to look at his account. His work are always very soft and beautiful. If you're a watercolor beginner, I highly recommend you to get his watercolor book. I'm a fan of Hannah's artworks because they always give me a calm feeling. I really like the composition of her works, and she always leaves negative space to balance out her colorful subjects. If you are learning about compositions and how to incorporate different elements into one illustration, then make sure you look at her Instagram account. Sandra has been exploring her watercolor style in the last few years, and I'm very drawn to her miniature watercolor figures. These figures have also been gaining a lot of attention in the fashion world. Aside from that, she's also very good at drawing portraits. If you're into watercolor portraits, Sandra's account would definitely be one of the accounts you want to follow. I have been a fan of Antonio's work for a very long time. His works are simply breathtaking. Each piece has a lot of great details and the objects always look very realistic. If you're in the process of learning how to draw realistic objects with watercolors, I definitely recommend you to look at Antonio's Instagram account as it will give you some good insights. Ping Yu's watercolor works have a strong retro vibe. I really like his brushstrokes works and the use of colors. His girls are always very elegant and beautiful, and I will never get tired of their poses. If you're looking for a watercolor artist with strong brushstroke style, then you should definitely check out Ping Yu's account. I know there are many more watercolor illustrators on Instagram, so I plan to feature them in the near future on this YouTube channel. If you have any good recommendation, make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section so I can check out their accounts. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a like so that more people can see it. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you know when I will have the next video out. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.